Mother. Mother. Sucker.
Hello. It has been a long time since I've been on this vlog camera, but I am back. So, I've officially finished school. I've been doing my internship and I have been working out. Just kidding. Mostly been like trying to lose my stomach and getting a bigger butt. Yeah, that's what I've been doing. My skin has been looking pretty good lately. I just have like a couple little scars, but it's been really good. I blame it on the working out, and I've been drinking this green smoothie. If you guys watch Melissa Alatorre, I copied her. I've really been loving the bushy eyebrow look. If you look closely, I think that's all I'm gonna do. Alright, this is how I'm going. My Forever 21 little crop top, my jeans, black jeans, and then my jean jacket. We are on our way to Pacific City, Huntington Beach. We're gonna have dinner, right?
What?
Or are we just hanging out?
We're just hanging out.
I'm hungry.
Well. How nice that looks.
Ready. Hello, everybody.
Take two.
So we just finished eating with Dorina and Jason. I ate too much. Hello, happy Tuesday. No, happy Monday. It's Monday, unfortunately. I am in my car in the parking structure of my work, and I'm about to go home, and I'm probably gonna go to the gym like I always do. Off to the gym now. Hello. I thought I would give you a little sneak peek of my night routine because my skin is looking so good lately. Like, I'm really proud of myself, and I don't think it's my skin routine, honestly. I think it's because I've been exercising a lot and eating like a lot better. I'm still using my ordinary granactive retinoid. And then I've actually really been loving this new moisturizer that I got. It's St. Ives. It's like $7 at Walmart. It's so cheap, but I've been loving it so much. It absorbs really quickly and it doesn't make my face feel oily at all. My skin's been feeling great. I have a couple little like scars and stuff like that. It's like super smooth and like feels really healthy and feels brighter and stuff. Things are going great right now, guys. Let me know how you're doing. Happy Tuesday. Good morning. It's really early in the morning. I'm getting ready for work. But I actually have enough time this morning to make that green smoothie. Now I'm gonna get ready for work. It was hard getting up this morning. Hello. Wait a second. Move a little higher, and I don't have my freaking... I'm gonna get ready like super quick. I'm like sweating because I still came back. I just got back from the gym. My family was like, let's go to Yard House happy hour, and it's between 3 to 6 and it's like 4:30, 4:50. I'm gonna try to see what I can do before I leave. I'm gonna do brows for sure, but I can't draw them with all this sweat on my face. Oh my god, crazy brows. So happy hour is 3 to 6 and it's 5:50. My dad is driving crazy. We made it just on time. We just finished eating. Oh, this is our car. ¿Cómo te sientes? How do you feel? So full. Full.
No, esos son los bolts y el little things, pero la de beach está para allá.
Solo quiero estar contigo. Si no te tengo aquí conmigo, yo no quiero ser tu amigo porque tú eres mi camino.
Where are we going now?
To the beach?
My mom wanted to go to the beach.
Don't fishy muerto.
That's a rock.
No.
Where?
Este que está lay down in the rock.
Oh,
Little fishy.
there's a dead fishy in the water. Hi. We made it to the beach. We're in Long Beach like she wanted.
Ooh, Long Beach.
Long-
Long Beach.
Long Beach. Long Beach is cool.
I love it.
Good morning. Happy Friday. It is 8 in the morning. I just got out of an interview in Huntington and I don't know what to do. So after the interview, I came home, I ate, I watched the Spain versus Portugal game. I don't know if you guys are watching the World Cup, but it's really good. That game was like, it had me on my toes all day. Not all day, but the whole game. And then after the game, I went to the gym. And after the gym, I came home, I showered, and I hung out for a second. And now I am here. And now I'm getting ready because my friends Guni and Alexandra are here. Hi. I know.
Oh, she's mad
she
right
will
now.
not.
She's like-
I know. This is baby Ellen.
You want to carry her? She probably would want to too, but...
Oh, this one?
Wow.
What's the name of the song?
Good morning. Happy Saturday. We're rewatching the Spain and Portugal game with some tamales and coffee and Laila. Great morning. Mexico! Mexico!
You have a lot of owies. Look, I have an owie right here.
Yes!
Yeah, you're a big girl now.
Goal! Yeah!
You can do it. You can do it. You can do it, Lila.
Come on!
Come on, Lila. You got this.
You got this.
Ah! Lila. I'll give you candy.
Give me your hand!
Don't give up.
Give me your hand!
Ah!
Yeah!
Yay! Okay, do it again.
Hi, yeah. Guys, I'm committing a sin. I'm committing a health sin.